Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Jazz Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Nothing, ma'am.
No one. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
You are healthy. Okay, why do you want to come here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is one of the safest country for OFW and there is no abuse cases.
Why you didn't go to Singapore or Hong Kong? That one is very safe place also for OFW.
Uh, because I heard, ma'am, in other country there's a salary deduction, ma'am.
Okay, exactly. Malaysia got free processing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract. Okay, once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided because you wanted to sustain your family's future. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Yolimar Morong. I'm 41 years old. I live in General Santos City, Philippines. I'm born on November 23, 1982. I'm single mother. I bless of three sons, ages 25, 24, and 14 years old. I'm Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and my weight is 52 kilograms.
Okay, what about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your parents who will going to take care of your children?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 62 years old and she's a vendor.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
I have five brothers, ma'am, and we are six siblings. I have five brothers and I'm the second.
Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience in KSA way back 2023 to 2024 and you didn't finish your contract. What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Because my employer, ma'am, was was maltreated me.
Okay,
Um,
in what
they
way? In what way did
they
your
don't
employer maltreated you?
um they don't give me food, ma'am, and they lock me inside the house all the time.
Okay, so how many year did you work there? Is it months or year?
Only a month, ma'am.
How many months?
Uh, 2 months, ma'am.
Okay, what is your duties to your previous employment here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia?
I do all the household chores, ma'am, and taking care of the babies.
How old is the baby that you take care?
There are five, five, five children, ma'am, ages 16, 14, 11, 6, and 2 years old.
Okay, so after that, your agency sent you back in the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
Why they didn't given you a chance to work there?
No, ma'am.
What happened? Why?
No, ma'am.
You choose to go home.
Because I'm
Way
afraid.
Way back 2016 to 2019, you work as what?
As helper ma'am, as housemaid ma'am here in the Philippines.
Okay, can you describe what are your duties to your previous employer in Philippines?
My duties and responsibilities here in the Philippines, ma'am, was taking care of the children ages 14, 11, and 6 years old. I send them to school and fetch after school, ma'am, and prepare the food before they go to the school.
Okay, so did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, I do, ma'am.
Okay, so you know that domestic helper is very tough, okay? You cannot simply say that, Ma'am, I want to go back home in the Philippines. No such a thing, okay? Because you know in yourself that you have a 2 years contract, and if there is any uncertain situations, you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences. You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Saudi and Malaysia is quite different, okay? So you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
compensate whichever it is because it's a free processing. And you also know that if you breach contract, you need to pay. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Only
do,
Filipino dishes.
okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
No. Can you take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know what are the rules and regulations about usage of mobile handphone and rest day?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Only use of 2 to 3 hours a day, ma'am, and after work.
And rest day?
Once a week, ma'am.
No. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you are not allowed to go out, okay? But
Yes,
if you will
ma'am.
work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, but rather than you can hold it during nighttime only, 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree about all these terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
We wanted to let you know in our initial interview whether you agree or you disagree, because if you disagree, we don't force people also to come and work here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you handle your homesickness?
I will call my family in the Philippines, ma'am, after work and pray to God.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, being a domestic helper working abroad is we need to also have some good attitude, okay? We are not the boss here. In the Philippines, we might be the boss in our in our own country, in our motherland, but in other countries, no such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to have some good attitude. You need to adjust yourselves and don't allow employer adjust themselves for you because we are the foreigner here. We are the one who come to their country because we wanted to earn some money to have a better, bright future for our family. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You need to
Yes, ma'am.
respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations because you are the one who are working inside their premises. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how did your employer maltreat you in Saudi? Can you describe? Or can you share it with us?
They lock me, ma'am, inside the house. They no food, um, no enough rest, and then I'm afraid of my my male employer because he wanted me to put liniment oil in his body. That's why I'm afraid, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Yolimar. It was my pleasure meeting you. Okay,
Thank you,
thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.